Bells and Braden, so you guys are doing plants and animals and only adults for sickness. Okay, perfect. Whenever you are ready. Wait, Bells. Remember, really loud, like you're yelling at somebody, cutting in front of you in line.
Okay.
That's the same. Go ahead, loud. Come on, Bells.
Genetic modification must only be able to be used on plants, animals, and adult humans to cure disease.
My first most important reason is that it doesn't always work. Instead, it worsens the disease you are attempting to cure. They tested on 3 people to see if it would cure their cancer, and in one of them, it just worsened the cancer. That's why I think only adults should be able to use it, because they will know what they are agreeing to.
Secondly, this provides for food when used on plants and animals. This is a huge game changer to solve overpopulation.
Thirdly, it can be used to stop the transmitting of disease from animals to humans by genetically modifying them to not carry the disease.
Now you should see why you should only use genetic modifications on plants, animals, and to cure disease in adult humans.
Are you guys done? Or are you going to use that too?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a poster too.
Read it.
Do you want to talk about it or?
Yeah. So it talks about how you could use CRISPR to save you from dying.
And then it'll increase the size of salmon and make food products better, so you can have more food and better quality of food.
Nice.
And then from eating one, you can either eat 1 candy bar or you can eat 100 cotton candy grapes. So,
Score.
The best way to cure an addiction is to trade it for another addiction. So you can trade this for this.
So 100 cotton, the same amount of sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotcha.
Yep. Genetic modification by Bella and Braden.
Okay, CRISPR is a family of DNA sequences found in the genomes of organisms such as bacteria and archaea. It is used to replace other DNA sequences.
Here is a case of CRISPR providing more food to help solve the problem of overpopulation/world hunger.
Scientists have used CRISPR to stop mosquitoes from spreading airborne diseases. Mosquito-borne diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and Zika.
Scientists genetically modified these pigs to stay smaller so people will keep them as pets and don't get rid of them when they get too much, because then they die.
You could just eat them. Of course, they're your
cute.
pets.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I
okay.
want a pig.
Change to that.
As you can tell, the beef corn looks a lot tastier than the non-beefy corn. This would help tastier edible corn that would make the grocery bills lower. Better health, buy better food is part of the solution to world food.
Nice.
Use just a couple of the GMO foods that have been genetically modified.
So the sugar from 1 food bar for 100 pigs.
CRISPR doesn't always work.
What?
One patient's cancer continued to worsen.
Another.
Another patient's cancer stayed the same. Gene editing on the 3rd was done not too long ago. Cases like this prove that CRISPR doesn't always work, showing that it is a personal risk and should be a choice. It was not realistic to force children into it because it could go wrong for a chance that they could get better. In some cases, the child doesn't even have it to begin with.
It is your job to promote the journal of CRISPR will help you accomplish this job and make you a successful person.
As you can see, there's a lot of evidence to support our opinion that CRISPR should be used on plant animals, but only adult humans to cure disease.
You guys done?
Yep.